This is my router. I had it mounted in my desk over there that you can't see. It was mounted under the desk, and I had to pull it out to use it like this. And it's a hassle to unbolt it and bolt it back. So what we're going to try and do is we're going to attach some plexiglass. It measures about 3/16 of an inch, which I don't think is going to be thick enough, to here, like a plate, and then router out the top of the table the thickness that this is going to end up to be, so it drops into the table. Use it in the table, and if I need to pull it out, I'll just take it out and do it. Now, I need to double it. I need to make it twice as thick, I believe. I don't think, this is like, measures about 3/16 of an inch. And I don't think it's thick enough. I think it's gonna flex with the weight of the router. So, I have this stuff left over from my picture frame. It's really thin. What I did is I cut 2 squares and used some CA glue to put them together. The reason I did this is to see if I could still see through it. Now there's some glue on it from, got it on my fingers and what have you, but that's 2 pieces of the thin plexiglass glued together with some CA glue, and yes, you can see through it. I didn't know if it was gonna, if the CA glue was gonna become cloudy, because once I mount this on here, the bigger, thicker piece, I want to be able to see through it. So we're gonna go to the table saw. We're gonna cut 2 strips of this big stuff off and glue it together and see if it's gonna work. Yeah. Two squares cut. We're going to glue them together. After that, they're going to get mounted just like that. And hopefully that won't be too big. I'll probably mount it or glue it and then go around and clean the edges up. That is pretty big, huh? Well, I can always cut it down to size once I glue it. Okay. Move this. Oh. Let's see. Pretty much the same. That's like. Look at, looks like that glue spread really nice. Now we're gonna let that sit probably all day. We'll let that sit up all night until tomorrow. Then take it off and figure out how to mount it to that. Okay, rocking and rolling. Got a little fog on the side right here, but that's fine. I'm gonna take some of that off because it's not flush. All right, let's go clean this thing up on the table saw. That thing will stop a bullet. All right. Let's clean up the edges a little bit. Bring it up a little bit higher. Some glasses. Got my cool glasses. Check this out. Ooh, man. Swanky. And I'm going to put, it don't matter. Just Three inches all the way around. That's how much of this plate, plexiglass plate I got hanging around. So, I'm gonna mount that on there, cut out my table for this to fit in, a hole big enough for the whole thing to drop through. This will be flush with the top of the table, so I can drop it in the table like this, leave it, or I can take it out of the table and route it like this. Remember which way it went. Turned it around so many times I don't remember which one was the top, which one was the bottom. Got me a little wrench here to tighten this up. I don't know if this is going to work. I'm probably going to, I don't know how tight I can make that, man, without breaking it. Seems to be working. All right. Sorry. Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right. Now we're gonna put it back together and see what happens. I think it's hitting that one. Oh, no, it's not. It's hitting this. May have to sand it down a little bit. All right. Now, wrong way. Let's just put them and see what it does. All right, I gotta change the plans here. This is where I was gonna put that router. As you can see, I pulled the laminate flooring up off the top of it because it was just too hard to cut. And then I'm gonna take this and it's gonna mount into this desk. This is an old office desk. Let me move around here. And in the middle here used to be the table saw, which I removed and covered it. And then the router was mounted up underneath, but I want to be able to take it out. But I'm thinking we're going to take everything here, the router, this old drill press, the old grinder, and that little bitty vise there. And we're all gonna mount it on this bench. My plan is, because this is so large, is to mount that router right here. Put the drill press on that far corner, the grinder here, the little vise on this corner. Because this thing measures, let's see, I don't remember. Almost 4 feet. Yeah, about 45 inches. Seven feet 3 inches. I know, it's upside down. So it's almost a 4x8 countertop. If I do that, then I can take all these other little odds and ends, these old saw blades that are on the back and on the side. I got a few things in those drawers. I can take all that out, put them on this bench, and get rid of this one. I don't need it. I think I can get by with just this one. And there's 5, you can't see them, but there's 5 casters underneath there. One in each corner and there's one in the middle. So it's big and it's heavy. But I can move it. If I do that, then I'm gonna take my sanding station, move it into this corner, and then take this big monster workbench and put it right in that area there. Doing that will give me all this floor space where this thing sits. That's the plan. And to put that router in this table, I already did this part. Clean this out, empty that drawer. And I'm gonna put it right here. These drawer slides that the drawers slide on go all the way across to the other side for the drawers over there. That router will fit right in between here. And then I'm gonna box it in underneath for all the sawdust. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put that router right here. All right, let's do it. Well, this is what I come up with. I screwed my right up to those two boards. They go all the way across without falling off. Now, we set the depth till it hits. Right there. The hole's actually bigger than the router itself, so it should have room. If it don't fit, we'll make it fit. Yeah, we got a hole. That. There you go. Wind that camera out a little bit. All I'm doing is mount the plate back on here. I mean, yep. And it's got to go this way. man, it's a little bit right there. Let's see what happens if I screw that down, because I got 4 holes here. Yeah. Shoot, I don't know if I need to reinforce underneath there. I might put something. But let me show you what I've been doing here. A lot of this I didn't record video because it's a box. I wasn't going to take the time to shoot a video of building a box. Because if you've seen a box built, you've seen them all built. This is a drawer. That's the drawer that came out of right here. Okay? Imagine there's a drawer there. There's not anymore. I took it out. Just the router, I routed, put it in plexiglass. Well, I got it screwed down just for extra precaution. But anyways, it came out pretty good. I think so. Anyways, I took the drawer out and built a top box. And until I get some kind of dust collection thing set up, and I probably won't. That's where all my dust is going to go. And this is my power cable. Goes to this cord. That old drill press used to be over there on that desk. My old grinder used to be right there in that corner. Fixing to take that vise. I'm probably going to just stick it right here somewhere. Now for the router, that black cable that's going down right there, stapled up underneath the bottom, close that, comes up through the floor, and it plugs in right there. I think the switch is on. Plugs in right there, switch right there, router right there. the bit. We turn this way. Y'all can get a little bit better view. A more better view. See where that router bit hits? So all I have to do is take my hole here and just open it up. This might just work. Whoop, maybe not. Let's see, what's it? Oh, I see. Yeah. We can fix that. When I pull it tight, it's pulling it like that. I guess I can take the earphones off. I don't know why, but it's works almost better than it did on that other desk. Actually, I think it works better for some reason. Maybe because this wood here sticks out a little bit further than the edge of the top. It's keeping it from popping up. Shoot, man. Now, if you're wondering why there's two knobs on here, because I tried it with one. There's actually a hole here. I tried it with one knob. It wouldn't hold it. It would, well, when you tighten it up with one knob, when your wood piece gets down to here, it would flex just a little bit. So I put two of them. Video and on this thing, I think I'm gonna wrap this one up. Because my main thing was to get that into the table. Little cabinet. I'll probably store a bunch of blades on my other table over there. You can't see it. But my other table's got all these blades, and there's a bunch on the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them inside there, put my blades in there just to store it. Yep, I like it. Let me see if I can back this up so you can see it a bit better. Turned it, flipped it around. It's mostly underneath my loft, if you will. Basically what I did is I just spun it around, and we're gonna see how well this works. give it a couple of test runs. Put some air protection on. Router's in place. I don't know what this bit is. It's something fancy. Switches down here. Yeah. Now, try something else. I'm going to unplug it because I'm fixing to pull it out of there to try something else. And what I do is I open up my little door here, give it a little lift, take it out. And I think I'm going to do is later on, I'm going to get me some more of this plexiglass or a piece of plywood, something, and cut it to fill the hole when I take this out and I have to use it by holding it in my hands. I can put something out there so I'll have a flat surface. That's a wrap. Hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the like button anyways. It'd be much appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.